afternoon. Welcome to TravelsUnravel's another episode where we visit Suruchi Hotel, which is on Swami Samartha Marg at Alibaug. And it's a traditional Maharashtrian restaurant. We're going to try different things. The ambience is very nice. We've got parking around this place here. So quite a good amount of parking space. And let's walk in and see two-wheeler parking here. Got some nice decorative stuff around. And it seems to be a happening place. We can hear a lot of noise where the restaurant is. They have outdoor open seating as well as indoors. So let's go and check it out. At Hotel Suruchi, we've ordered the Cashew Masala and Raita. So both these are supposed to be good dishes here. And here we go. Very rich gravy. It definitely has that Malwan tadka. It's not like the other Cashew Masala we've had. And very tasty. Little on the spiciest side. But that's because of the Malwan masala. The bundi is very crisp. The preparation is very nice. So indeed very, very tasty. No regrets ordering the Cashew Masala with the Malwan flavor, Malwan twist. Go where the locals go. You can see a lot of locals in this restaurant. Has to be good. Food is something that satisfies not just the body hunger, but satisfies your soul. You can feel that satisfaction when you eat good food. Lovely. We can see some beautiful artifacts they put on the wall. There's some amazing lighting all over, which means in the night this place must be really looking lovely. We'll definitely come some other time in the night and take a look. There is also a nice children's play area right here. So this is again something to keep the kids busy while you dine in peace. And the washrooms are here, the wash basin is here. Quite a spacious place here. And this is the air-conditioned enclosure inside. So we walk out of this restaurant, Hotel Suruchi, completely satisfied with the food, satiated, and really, really happy.